now, I'm also involved in this.
Oh my god! God damn it!
I'm coming hard.
Shit! I got too hot.
Who's out there?
Fight out.
Do you realize that Cameron, Andrew, and the rest haven't arrived?
Yeah. I just realized it after you told me. I wonder what's keeping them?
Well, what should we do now? I will make a thunderstorm with the machine, and so they will cower before us. Oh.
Good idea.
What's going on?
Okay, let's get out of here. Fast.
Ha.
So long, sucker.
Can it be? Mr. and Mrs. Jones?
Josh, what are you doing here? You know what? It doesn't matter. We need to get you guys to safely quickly. Get in the car before it's too late.
Yes, sir. We're right behind you.
Damn, this place is getting raided by the devils.
Yeah, and I thought this was the fairy tale crap. Looks like the city is getting raided by the devils. We need to alert the town real quick. Attention to everyone in Plotagon City. There's devils running among in the city. I advise you to get out of here and fast. If you wish to seek shelter, only for those in vehicles, follow me and I'll guide you to safe.
But where are we going to find safety?
I don't know. I'm looking around. There, the forest. Those saints aren't going to find us there.
Okay, let's step on it then.
Wait a second. I think I heard that voice before.
Really? Tell me.
Those were the neighbors of the Jones of Ice Cream. Scary horror. But right now, we got to go to the safe spot.
Okay then, let's go while we're there.
Okay, Johnny. We're going to head to the safe spot.
But what happens if we are running into a trap?
Then we move fast enough. But otherwise, we should be fine.
Okay.
Take that, you bastard!
Okay, it looks like we're safe here.
Okay. Now we just got to keep everyone safe here.
Great. Now the world is so black and white.
Now we're going to be here for a while. We need to end this. Who could have caused this?
Okay guys, let's explain what's happening. So what happened is the fisherman is taking over the world again. We don't know a reason why, but we need to make a stop to this horrible crisis.
Well, I have a reason why he is doing this. They ruined the festival, but not only that, they are doing this because he wants her revenge on Eugene and Emily, that defeated them 8 years ago.
Okay Justin, thanks for the memo. Me and Mrs. Jones are going to go out. Oh, by the way, where does Emily's family live?
Here's the directions.
Thanks Justin. Damn it, I was just going to ask if you wanted some donuts.
Let me guess, they're shutting down due to the apocalypse.
Yep, we should have gone some donuts before we come to the city. But right now, we got a mission to do.
Agreed.
Looks like we're here.
It looks like they have a guest. Where's my daughter?
Fight, bitch.
Freeze, Buster.
The hell you doing here? Get out of here right now or I'm going to hurt you.
Not if I will hurt you first.
Then come here and show me what you got. You don't know who you're messing with.
Come here and fight me.
No, oh.
Do you want to go as well?
Stand down,
I don't take orders from a black lady.
says the one with the Satan voice. Hideous.
Bitch. Get ready to die.
Okay, motherfucker, you chose your fate. That's what your distorted ass get, bitch. Are you alright?
Yeah. I'm fine.
Well, I'm glad you're okay. We're here to save Plotagon City. We got the news from our neighborhood that some fisherman wants to take revenge on your daughter, Emily.
Well, I'm still worried about her. I hope she's still okay. We also got some news that her friend Eugene got missing too.
Damn, I'm so sorry about him. I hope we can find him too. Well, come with me. We are going to head to the forest for the same spot. After we have a plan, we'll find a way to save Eugene and your daughter Emily.
Okay, you have my word.
Okay, we're ready to depart.
Finally. Let's go.
Where in hell are those two guys at? We've been here for too long.
Johnny, calm the hell down. They'll be here when they'll be here.
Well, they need to hurry up because I'm sick of waiting here. Do you feel stupid?
I don't feel stupid at all.
You should. Your ass should. Knowing this shit would have happened. And you still want to follow orders with that box head ass. We could have went home so we could be safe, man.
Motherfucker, first of all, if we went home, we haven't been safe, they would try to kick the door down. And two, who the hell do you think you're yelling at? I can literally beat your ass in front of everyone in this damn forest.
You know what? Since you want to sit there like a fucking loser, I'm gonna go out this forest my damn self. Bye. Of course, he did it again. He's gonna get karma. You know what they say, karma's a bitch.
True that.
Ew. Ugh. Stupid jerks. I'm going home. I hope they all die. What was that?
Ha 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 ha. Looks like we found a victim.
Listen, man, I'm not afraid of you, so I'm not in the mood of fighting you, bro.
Oh no, I'm not here to fight you, I'm here to spare you, if you choose to cooperate.
Okay.
Well, that was easier than I expected. Well, I seen your struggles. I seen the villains inside of you. I was thinking if you can join us on the evil side. If you do, you'll have this revenge on this little kid, Josh, and your father, Anthony, and the rest of the group. So what do you say? You want to take revenge? But if not, I'll let you continue life, but you won't survive this hellhole.
So you're saying that if I join you, I can take over my enemies and then rule over?
Yes. So, what's it going to be?
I'm definitely in. But you have to do one thing for me. Go grab Caillou.
Okay, that will be a plan. Do you know where Caillou lives?
Yes, I do.
Alright, let's move.
Caillou? No, you're not going with Johnny. There's too many freaks out there slaughtering people, and you think Johnny is going to protect you from them? So, no, you're not going.
But Dad, it's my life. I can do what the hell I want.
I don't give a shit. Go to your room now.
Fa. What's that noise? Oh fuck, not this devil's in my room.
Caillou, no need to yell. I'm here to recruit you. Because Johnny decided to join us.
You know what? It's a deal.
Perfect! Ha 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 ha. Let's move. Fisherman, I brought guests. Well, okay. Bring them to me.
So, you're the one who started the ruckus?
Yes. Problem with that?
No. Of course not. There's no trick under my sleeve, I swear.
Okay. Identify yourselves.
I'm Caillou. And over there is Johnny.
Okay. So, you're the group of what?
We call ourselves the supervillains.
Wow! I never knew that. I'm surprised.
Haha! I know. And we want to obey your every command and do everything you want.
Well, then I guess you guys will have to train hard for ourselves. It seems that the hand has the attitude, but not the appearances.
Okay, we'll take it.
Perfect! Ha 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 ha. This is going to be the strongest team ever. Frank, go ahead and give them an imitating makeover. Yes, Fisherman. Alright guys, come with me.
As you wish, my good sir.